Welcome to Hornell City School District, where we're
ready to strong!
We help our district's youngest students to be Red Raider strong by teaching them to be respectful, responsible, and safe.
We also help them build a solid academic foundation with ELA instruction and assessment and STEM science activities in the classroom.
We address the physical needs of our students. We teach physical fitness daily, and our CATCH team teaches children about their nutritional needs.
At the Bryant School, we set high levels of expectations for behaviors throughout the building, and we teach our kids how to meet those behaviors.
The school has been blessed with outstanding faculty and staff who put the needs of our students first.
We've made adjustments in our school day to allow students more time for reading and writing.
We also provide hands-on math instruction that is more engaging and helps them develop a deeper understanding of the concepts.
Intermediate school students have plenty of opportunity to learn by doing by joining our after-school programs and our before-school programs.
Hi, I'm Nora. I go to the Hornell Intermediate School. I love that this school gives you lots of chances to do extracurriculars. Some of the things I'm in is honors band, drumline, select choir, and all county.
In the classroom, we try to meet the individual needs of our students through differentiated instruction.
By building the transition from the elementary school to the high school, we ensure an environment is created that builds upon academic rigor and social growth.
At the senior high school, we prepare students for college and career readiness by offering a robust Regents curriculum, career opportunities, as well as a wide variety of ACE and AP courses. In fact, our high school earned a silver medal in the latest U.S. News and World Report rankings.
Maybe you're artistic. Hornell High School offers many higher-level courses in drawing, painting, and ceramics.
And don't forget our award-winning music program.
The Hornell City School District is proud to offer our students challenging academics and a wide variety of athletic and extracurricular activities in an environment that emphasizes the importance of character. We are
Ready to Strong!